If you're on a high resonance, you're on a resonance that all higher consciousness is on. So this brings into your life opportunities for growth. Now, some of those opportunities you might call challenges, and some of those challenges you might call misfortune. But that misfortune is an opportunity for you to break out of a certain restricted, safe shell that you've got, to break the shell and to step to a higher resonance. And today, humanity doesn't like this. We shut down. We want to be safe. Don't bother me. I just want to be safe and secure and comfortable. Forget all that. Forget all that. Look on what is happening as your personal opportunity to grow beyond your limits, beyond your security,